All right, so here we have a 100 amp service. Make sure I grab this right. All right, so we got a 100 amp service here. Okay. All right, largest breaker we have on here is a 70. That's going to be for a 220 plug for a welding machine. Second to that is a 30 for the AC. And everything else are just 15 and 20s. And so that's this here. Alright, that's the breakers. Then we have a digital meter. It's not locked. Alright. And then just right here, right off to the side, you got the AC unit. You got a 4-ton 19.9 RLA, 109 LRA. All right. So basically, how that's coming up from the top. This porch here is kind of sealed it off, but what we're gonna do is from the transfer switch, we're gonna end up just taking it up into the attic, and from the attic space above the garage here, basically we're gonna be taking it diagonally across over to the other side. So if I'm walking this way, this is the garage. Over here is where the gas is at. All right, and so here, this van is not going to be here, obviously, by the time we come out here. But here, that's the gas is going to be connected here. Basically, what we're going to be doing is we're just going to imagine that this is and it's a regular fence or whatever. We're going to just put the generator here. All right, so 5 feet length going linear against the chain link fence here. All right, and then 3 in width going the width of what the meter would be here. So for the conduit, we're going to be going from the transfer switch up into the attic. And what I would imagine would be there's enough crawl space, enough room to be able to run it where the eave is at. So on the drawing, I kind of have it, the installation diagram, where it's going to be going straight this way. And then just literally straight that way towards the electric meters at. But if we're looking at it this way, right, just because of the way the property is, they don't have a survey, and I'm inside the city of Houston, so I do see and I do acknowledge that there's power lines here, so there might be an easement, it might not be, right? But then again, from there to here, it's roughly it's about 10 feet, if not more than that, about 15 feet from the fence, the wooden fence, because the wooden fence is their line. So from the wooden fence here to this one, it would be that much space. So basically, we're just going to be running the independent line from the gas meters that we're going to upgrade. We're going to upgrade the pressure on this, and we're going to run the line just straight this way. And we're going to imagine the generator is going to sit here against this wall, right? Obviously, we're going to be 5 feet away from the meter, right? So 5 feet this way, and basically that's it. Now, the drawing might be a little iffy, might be a little weird. Kind of looks like there's like this space right here, and the fence is kind of pushed out more. That's because they don't have a survey, and so that's how I had to use the what I used was Google Earth to show the top layout, so I can draw it on there. So that space is not really it's not really there now that I see it, but I don't think any of that matters at all. So but it should be a simple installation. We're gonna be running it through. So here, it's a renovated home, single story. Basically on top, there's attic space going from one side to the other, up until the kitchen point. Well, the kitchen's over there, where the door, where that, see where the actual yeah, so this right here, you see that line going up, where that little lantern, the lamp, that's where the kitchen starts, right? So all that space back this way, all that space from there back this way is all attic space, right? So we're gonna be installing a generator here. You got the gas meter right here, so we're gonna need a quick simple installation. As far as the gas line run, 250 CFH. All right, and we're gonna go up to 250 to the 2 pounds. Can't really tell what that says, but so that's that. And I believe that's it.